what is owner's equity? In the simplest of terms, owner's equity is the portion of the business that the owner owns. As an example, let's think about a house. You're going to buy a house. That house is your asset. In this case, our asset is worth $1 million. In order to buy that house, we need to go to the bank and borrow the money. So that bank loan is our liability. In this case, we've borrowed $900,000. Now, the difference between our assets and our liability becomes our owner's equity, i.e., the portion of the house that you own. Now, over time, our house is going to increase in value. It's now worth $1.5 billion. And as we go through life, we pay off our mortgage, so our liabilities are now only $600,000. So the portion of our owner's equity has grown. Our assets have grown, our liabilities has shrunk. The difference is still our owner's equity, the difference between our assets and our liabilities. Let's replace the house with some business assets. Here we've got assets worth $1 million. And we've got liabilities worth $900,000. Our owner's equity is the difference between our assets and our liabilities, so here owner's equity is $100,000. As our business thrives, it grows and it expands, we invest in new assets, we pay off our liabilities, and we generate profit for the owner. The owner's equity is still the difference between our assets and liabilities, the portion of the business that the owner actually owns. So now we've got assets worth $1.5 million. Our liabilities are now only $600,000. So our owner's equity becomes the difference between the two of $900,000. In our next video, we're going to start exploring the accounting equation. Hope you'll join us to see how the theory of owner's equity we've just learned works in a more formalised setting, and we'll walk you through some examples to help you understand this principle. Remember to hit like if you found this helpful. Click on the link below for the next video in this series. See you then.